Yeah, man, we're there, man. Black and the Latter, you don't know.
Ryanrich. Ryanrich.
Yeah, man, Ryanrich. Yeah, man, we're there, I represent, you see it. Give thanks all the road that go on and thing.
Yeah.
So get the new bridge and thing. Eh, yeah, man, a Black and the Latter, you don't know. Giving thanks. Aye, aye. Calabash Cafe.
You hear that, guys? You hear that?
Yeah, you ready?
Anything ready? Just my wonderful people. Back on the channel again, you know, Ryanrich World Vlog is out here in Morant, giving you guys another update of the bridge that I'm working on out here. Today is Friday, the 4th day of July, 2025. You understand? Not for like, share, a notification bell. So whenever I upload a video, you can be the first to get it. So this is what taking place out here. My viewers and my subscriber, my phone on the iron them in the earth. Clarity boss out here too, you know. Yes, get closer to the work. Left hand clarity boss. One clarity boss. Left hand. My phone on the same one last time I come out and phone on me see the place vibrate. Yeah. Yes, guys. So as I was saying, guys, my phone on the iron them with a big something there. You see? So it rests on the iron to phone it down. I'm going to take time to pick up the bridge out here. You know, so we're in the hurricane season. And then each up on the work out here. I'm going to put in the work out here. You got it. Mine. It's very active. The development in St.Thomas is looking good so far. Yes guys, I'm going to look at the iron them out here. You know, when type of work is technical. You know, when you do bridge work, it's kind of technical. You have to work with caution out here. It's a good look for the parish so far. You know. So then driving iron them down in the earth. You'll see some of the machine there. They are pouring them down into the surface. Eh? Eh? So make a check a lag. Yes, so I'm a couple of bad parts of the asphalt and I prepare it and I switch up to get it the asphalt back. I'm cleaning up the body of them piece by piece out there. Yes guys, give you another update of what's taking place in Leith with the retaining wall. I think the longest wall in Leith that check bill. I think the longest wall check bill in Leith, longest stone wall. Yeah. the valley. So then cut out a driveway down there that can drive, can drive around. That is a drain. So I want to give you a walk through so you can see the wall properly. This is the side part of the wall. The side part of the wall going up. The side part of the wall going up. I don't know how long it is. I don't know the figure. I don't know the measurement. Just giving you guys an update of the work that are taking place in St. Thomas between Leith and Port Morant. They might work on the bridge in Port Morant. They still work on the wall out here. They might dress it up. They might dress it up, I know. They might dress it up, I know. Morning. Yeah. Very hard out here. It's how long it is. Yo, right on. Yeah, so long it is, guys. Yeah. So you have to say about the road development in St. Thomas. We have to say.
The road development in St. Thomas?
Yeah.
Yeah, this road, so please to know that they are working on the road. We need good improvement, man, good work in order for the road to stay together for a pretty long time. Yeah, because it's been a long time since this road in a bad shape, and elsewhere also. There's elsewhere that they need to come and work on also. Roads are in a bad shape, man, for a long time too. Yeah, we're looking for some good maintenance.
Yeah.
That's it.
You like my people?
Huh?
It's a radar reporter, he always speak on the radar about St. Thomas.
Programming about roads. Yes. So we're pleased to know that they come now and fix, because it's been a long time we've been talking about road. Till somehow we discontinue speak about road and speak about other thing that is of interest to us. Yes. And it work. But sometimes it doesn't work though. They take long to come. But elsewhere, other countries, they develop things quicker. But we have more report to make still, We have more report to make in the future still. Mr.
Yeah. Yes, guys, I showed the outside. This is the inside now. I'm gonna try to finish it up.
Taya.
Good. Yeah, good. Chinese saying taya. Yeah. So that is it, my people. Work in progress out here. Teamwork make the dream work. Alright, Mr. Sunil, man. Yes. So, you know, that first time, they used to call the corner Cozy Corner, you know. You take time drive around the corner, you know. You can't come around the corner with no speed, no form of speed. Yeah, you see how long the wall is? The stone wall long enough, guys. It's how long the stone wall is. So, as I was saying, I'm giving another update of it. In a quite finish yet. You might do some put on the finishing touch, like a dress up a wall and them thing there. You know, since Cozy Corner, yeah. So take time drive around the corner. Yeah. So that is it for now, guys. I'm gonna walk further along in a Leith. I'm gonna do some more cutting out of the bad asphalt down there. Yesterday them asphalt P side, so I'm gonna cut out an asphalt. You got me? Yes, guys, with the further along in a Leith, I'm gonna build some more wall in front of the house them out here. So I'm gonna give you a little walk through. Right along the roadway, I'm gonna put up some wall, more wall and more wall. Got me? Yeah. You're good, man. You're good, I know. Yeah, turn the guy something. See camera turn away there. Yeah. Respect. Yeah, man. I put the wall them out here. I can't ask a place, sir. Yo. I'm cap careful. I'm cap careful. Can't be there, so. Like on. Yeah. I can't the steel them, boss. Yeah. I can't the steel them. Concrete truck just forward. Yes, guys, so as I was saying, I'm going to put a whole heap of retaining wall out here. Right up along the road. Chuck a dump off the concrete.